shucks. I'm late for class.
Morning, miss. Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to continue the agrarian society. Hey guys, I just want to say something. You know, what I will miss the most are my students. You know, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now who will I like? Anyway, be good. Do well in your studies. Okay, thanks guys. Dad? That's little bit. Hello. Em Phi nganu line benta because I still have a lot of work in college M. It's okay. You guys go ahead. Okay, bye. Neil, ada news thing. Ni kat Syiem. Phi nak ke mana? Boleh Phi boleh. Kelas ni tak sini. Boleh haba Phi dampang dulu menunggu Phi dawan Syiem. Baba nak Phi. Yang Phi, I will do anything for my students. Bye.
From the moment students enter an educational institution, the most important factor in their success is neither their ethnicity nor the wealth of their parents. It is the person standing at the front of the classroom. We are all here to bid farewell to our exceptional teacher and a mentor who retired from active service. Today I realize how time flies. It gives me great pleasure to say that we must recognize, respect, and appreciate all the valuable skills and knowledge our dear teacher had imparted onto us, the future leaders, and to thank her for all her affections and hard work. Of course, I know how painful it is to say goodbye to someone who is less of a teacher, but more of a mother. However, we all need to express our sincerest gratitude to her for all her uncommon contributions to realizing the educational programs and development of this college. She spent 33 years imparting the right skills and knowledge onto the students. Seems like it was yesterday she started her teaching career. I have no doubt on my mind to say that she is an achiever, open-minded, generous, knowledgeable, modest, courageous, responsible, and highly respected teacher. Throughout her stay in the college, she was an outstanding tutor and committed to promoting excellence in the education sector. You are always tolerant and eager to help when we have things bothering our minds. Indeed, your exceptional qualities have inspired us in so many ways. This we will all remember you for, and the sweet memories that we had together will remain in our hearts forever. Thank you for teaching your subjects with a passion. Your own teaching skills makes it easier and fun for every student to contribute actively, thereby making your class an engaging class for all. Permit me to use this medium to ask for your forgiveness if we have hurt your feelings knowingly or unknowingly in the course of discharging your duties. Miss, you have put in great efforts in instilling tolerance, kindness, patience onto us, the future generations. You have worked tirelessly. Now it is time to enjoy all that you have labored for all over the years. As you move on to greater things, I pray for your good health, and may you find life after retirement a happy moment with lots of beautiful memories. I also pray that the knowledge and skills we have gained from you our youth in good conscience.
We would like to say that all your hard work on a daily basis does not go unnoticed. We have tried to portray meticulously the day-to-day aspects of your teaching career. I apologize for any shortcomings in any way, as it is unintentional. This is done in good spirit, and it shows our acknowledgement of your hard work. A teacher like you can never really retire. Even if you stop coming to college, you will continue to do things that will inspire children like us every day. On behalf of the Sociology Department, students and teachers, past and present, I wish you good luck and all the best for the rest of your life as you bow out after spending meritorious 33 years teaching what you know how to do best. Thereby, I would like to conclude by the following message to you, Ms. Syiem, on behalf of the present student body of the Sociology Department.
We love you!